So one day before we start our boot camp, so this is a face portrait I wanted to sketch out before my boot camp starts, which would be me learning and teaching you guys at the same time. It will be very interesting. So, as of now, I draw a circle for a face portrait. I draw a circle and then I figure out if the cheeks are round or not. Then I cut the circle's edges in that manner. Then in the middle comes a line that allows me to join the jaw, the chin with the jaw. Then you could draw a line in the middle and use it for eyes. And I use the cheekbone separation to mark out the ears. I know I'm not perfect at this, but this is just me before learning how to draw faces. I haven't learned. I have seen some people draw how, but I've taken up some information, which is the circle and how to draw a line in the middle to get the chin and how long the jaw should be. But it's not perfect. I don't think I can be that perfect. Maybe I can, maybe not. Not all artists can paint exactly the same face as the reference is, but I'm trying my best here to map out the jaw. With hair, I'm really bad, but after the boot camp, I think I will be better. So, you guys should be ready with your art tools to practice with me on a daily basis because I will be posting daily different things. We'll start with eyes and then noses, then lips, then face, other structure, then poses, then a lot of other things, but mostly human anatomy that you can use for animes and everything. Now see, I'm just randomly placing, not randomly, but placing ears as I can see them in the reference, but that's not how usually artists do. They have some sort of proportion or rule, which I don't really care for. Maybe I will after I learn, but I don't know. So this one is like just with a sharper pencil. Pencil with a small size. Then I lower the opacity like this, and then with thicker pen, I map out. So to make it clearer, I am struggling with jaw. The thing I struggle with is that I can make the left portion really nice, but the right part of the jaw is really hard for me. As you can see, this portion right here, these lines, these are really cool. These map out good, but the left one are not proportional. That's why I always say if you're practicing drawing a circle, don't always draw it anti-clockwise like most of us do. Try drawing it clockwise as well to make your hands, your muscle memory and all. Consider that you can do things anti-clockwise. You're always doing clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you understand what I mean. The hair I'm still not really a big fan of, but it's okay. I guess that's how we grow. So this particular painting sketch, I'm drawing this before boot camp, one day before boot camp. I will be drawing this particular sketch after boot camp as well, and we'll see the progress. That will be really interesting. Eyes, I feel I'm always really good with eyes. Eyes never gave me a hard time for some reason. I love drawing eyes. You can see the most popular shots of mine are of eyes, I think. Yeah. So yeah. The most popular one is croissant, but then are the eyes. A lot of eyes. Lips were okayish. See, jaw, the portion below the lips in the reference is much bigger than the portion I've drawn. So yeah, there are a lot of things I can improve on. Everyone does. I think I should just realize that not all art pieces look good from the beginning, and erasing and redoing everything a lot of times is the part of the process. And drawing with a thicker pen is much easier than drawing with a thinner pen. So if you're really an artist, draw with a thicker pen. Challenging. Okay, so we're almost ready. I'd say this is like a webtoon version of Somi, the reference. She's K-pop solo artist. You can see the expression on the face. I'm not really able to capture that. Let's see. So that's the pre-boot camp knowledge of mine. Let's see what happens after boot camp. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get going, and let's make this channel a good place, a place where artists can communicate with no hard feelings and have fun. Thank you so much, guys. Alright, see ya.